Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I'm here with the trade forecast on GBP USD, a 1 to 23 risk reward ratio, 6 pips stop loss, and 133 pips target. So watch the rest of the video for more valuable content. Alright, so let's go to the higher time frame. Let's start from the 4-hour time frame. What am I looking at right here? So we are on the 4-hour time frame right here, and we're able to see two things happening right now. We had this market which has been pushing to the upside, which is very good, right? And you can see the market creating higher highs and higher lows, pushing to the upside right there. And now what can you see from here? We saw the market coming to this level right here, and then we've seen the market dropping to the downside, creating lower lows and lower highs right there. So looking at this, I'm looking at this as a selling opportunity. I don't want to predict where the market is going to go. However, I'm going to try to move with the direction of the current market conditions right here. So you can see that from 24th of June, we've seen the market pushing to the downside, and this is what we're trying to take advantage of. And you can see that the significant dollar that we have is right here. So it means that we can actually trade and sell this particular currency pair up to this area. So this is an area that we can actually target. However, I'm targeting this low right here. So let's go back to the 1-hour time frame so that you can appreciate my view on this particular trade. So from here, we can clearly see that the market gave us a nice push to the upside and consolidated, and then we saw the market dropping to the downside right here, breaking significant structure as it went to the downside. And then what is significant about the candles that we're breaking structure right here is that most of the candles were inefficiency candles. So you can actually go to the 2-hour time frame. You're going to appreciate that most of these candles, this candle was an efficiency candle, this was an efficiency candle, this was an efficiency candle, this one right here not so much, but this one was an inefficiency candle. It means that there was a lot of liquidity which was being grabbed right here, and therefore there's a lot of money which was left unfulfilled at this particular area right here. There's a lot of smart money involved in this particular trade right now. So what we are going to do is wait for the market to come to this particular area. Why? It's because we believe that once the market is balanced and the market becomes unbalanced, there are people who are responsible for that decision, and it's not us retail traders, it's potentially the smart money guys, right? There's the ones who are able to change the market conditions and also change the direction of the market. Therefore, we are going to anticipate the market pushing to this area, and then we're going to wait for the price to come to this level right here. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 50-minute time frame so that you can see what I'm looking at right there. So this is what I'm looking at right now. So we have a nice rally based drop supply zone, and then if you go to the, let's go to the 3-minute time frame, I show you where my order block is right here. And you guys by now must understand what an order block is. So let's zoom in on that particular order block right there. So you can see the last bullish candle before the bearish move is what is called a bearish order block. So we have a bearish order block right there. So we have to wait for the market to pull back into that area so that we can look for selling opportunities, so that we can take advantage of this pre-existing sell bearish trend which is happening right now. Okay, so this is what we have right now, and on top of all that, we have a beautiful confluence that we have right here. You can see that the market printed equal highs right here. So the market left behind two equal highs right there, which is supposed to be taken out. So what we're going to anticipate is the market as it opens on Monday. What I'm going to anticipate is that the market is going to push the upside right there, take out the liquidity which is created right here, and then also take out the Asian station for me to come for price to come here, and that's the only time I'm going to think of selling on this particular trade. So if the market opens goes to the downside, guess what? There might be these levels right here. Maybe we can look for the continuation of the major trend, but as of now, this is what I'm anticipating right here, right? So if the market comes to this level right here, takes out the Asian session, comes into this area, that's the only time I'm going to get involved, and that's how it is. And what do I do for me to prepare to do that? I simply set an alert right here. So I'll just simply place an alert right there so that once the market comes to my area, guess what? I'm going to be alerted and then be able to actually see whether I can take the particular trade or not, depending on the market conditions, depending on the price action at that particular time. So like this, I'm set. I don't have to set a pending order, and that's how I prevent taking unnecessary losses. So you guys see me analyzing, and then when the trade goes, I mean, when the market just pushes through, you think I've taken a loss. No, it's just that my setup has been invalidated. I never even entered. Why? Because I always wait for specific conditions, specific things that the market can show me before I can execute that particular trade. So that's how it is. So I've set an alert right here. So I'm just going to wait for the market to come into this area. And if the market does that, that's the only time I'm going to be interested to look at this particular setup and then see if the market is giving me an opportunity to actually enter, right? So my stop loss is going to be just above this high right here, which is going to be 6 pips, and my target is going to be this low right here. Why I'm targeting this low is that we also have these inefficiency candles right here. I know that the market loves to create this so that the market can come and this can act as magnets to put price or push price towards those areas. So this is what I'm going to wait for right here. I'm going to wait for the market to come into this area, give me an entry signal, and then only and only that, if that happens, that's the only time I'm going to get involved. And when I do, I'm going to share this signal in our signals community. The forecasts have already been shared in our private community, as you can see right here. So once the market comes to our area, and then I'll be able to share those particular trades in our premium signals community on right here. So that's how it is, guys. All right. So I hope you're able to pick something from this, because the reason for me sharing this forecast is purely for education purpose only, because I want you to look at what I'm thinking as I'm taking this particular trade. I want just to show you guys the results and all that, but I want to show you the process, what it takes for you to be able to reach those levels where you're able to actually make money from the market. So you have to be able to actually analyze the market, forecast, and do all that. All right, so you guys, that's how it is, guys. We're about to hit 3,000 subscribers on YouTube, right? We are almost there. We are only remaining with about 70 subscribers in order for us to actually hit 3,000 subscribers. And guess what? If we hit 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to offer you guys something that you've never done, which is 70% off, since we're only looking for about 70 subscribers to reach 3,000 subscribers, right? So if we hit 3,000 subscribers, guess what? I'm going to offer you guys 70% of our signals and also our mentorship community, our mentorship course, the M&F Mastery course, right? As you can see right here, we're about 2,932. So if we're able to reach 3,000 subscribers, which is about, actually right now we're about 68 subscribers away, it means that I'm going to give you guys 70% of our course and 70% of our signals community for the whole week, right? So subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you're new to our channel, click that bell notification, subscribe, so that you're able to be notified every time we drop new video. All right, so I hope you can do that, and then the sooner we do this, the better, because I'm going to offer you what I've promised, right? So you guys, I really hope you found some value in this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.